अभी हम आए हैं इंडियन नेवल म्यूजियम, नेवल एविएशन म्यूजियम, एंड दिस इज इन इंडियाज ओनली, एशियाज ओनली नेवल एविएशन म्यूजियम, जिसको ट्रैवलर्स चॉइस अवार्ड्स 2020 भी मिला है। एंड घुसने के बाद ही द पहला थिंग यू सी इज INS कोलकाता का मॉडल। एंड for those who don't know, my father was in the in second Bengal Naval NCC with 3 QMS rank। तो हम लोग उनको चिढ़ा रहे थे कि हम तो आपके जगह पे आ गए। एंड ये जगह पूरा एयरपोर्ट के पास है, ठीक है, एयरपोर्ट का वॉल उस तरफ है, इस तरफ नेवल म्यूजियम है, एंड यू कैन सी फ्लाइट्स टेकिंग ऑफ एंड लैंडिंग। This is everything that you can see if you come here to the Indian Naval Aviation Museum. तो सबमरीन ही ढोका मुझे। These are the seats of the aircraft, and सबसे देखो चीज़ देख के हंसी लगा वो है डेंजर डू नॉट पुल हैंडल। शायद से सीट इसका इजेक्ट वाला मोड पे चला जाएगा तो सब उड़ ही जाएगा ऊपर। तो बसो सिंपल तो लगो। सो दिस इज द रूम वेयर बहुत सारे इजेक्शन वाले चीज़ें यहाँ पे, ये पूरा पैराशूट है, these are tiny little parachutes, and this is the main device that stabilizes a seat during ejection. Moyukda, if you're watching this, bro, now I know what you're studying. So यहाँ पे बहुत सारे पिक्चर्स हैं, डिफरेंट डिस्क्रिप्टिव चीज़ें हैं जो आप लोग देख सकते हो, यहाँ पे सीख सकते हो अगर आपको इंटरेस्ट है। इसमें इन्फ्लेटेबल राफ्ट एंड ये इजेक्टेड सूट, दिस वाज इजेक्टेड successfully in December 2009. I hope the pilot is fine. So yes, this seat तो uncomfortable दिखते हैं, but this is what safe. This is fighter jet का seat. Martin Baker Aircraft Company Limited. Wow. This is the engine bay, where you can see the real art, the real engines that are used in all those beasts. You can screenshot and read everything about this engine. So, अच्छा guys, tell me something. How many of you know that BMW was originally a company who made aircraft, and even Rolls-Royce made aircraft first, and then they started to make cars. For a fact, here is a Rolls-Royce Pegasus engine that has been preserved, and please let me know and comment down if you knew that Rolls-Royce started its career by making engines like this. This is real art, you know, for us mechanical geeks who like love engines and everything. This is a dream location to check it out. Look at these turbines. So this has 26 blades, and these are supposed to be titanium blades. I'm not sure, I don't know the details as much, but this is sheer pleasure and joy to be here and see all these engines, with your own eyes, first person perspective. I'm really happy for that. So yes, let me know if you knew about the Rolls-Royce and BMW. So if you don't know, this is a Seahawk, and इसमें क्या होता है ना, पूरा जो wings है इसको fold कर सकते हैं so that it saves space while it's being loaded on the deck of a INS कोई भी। And यार यहाँ पे there are a lot of planes to check out and to see. जैसे यहाँ पे if I come down here, I am not sure about the names, okay, but don't know, all aircrafts that serves, all the vehicles that serve in the forces, such as these aircrafts, after these are commissioned, after a few years, they are decommissioned. That means the aircrafts legally retire from their service, and either they are scrapped, either they are, the parts are reused and recycled, or they are stored in such museum, just like here. And finally, we have the Chetak, the famous Chetak, which used to be a showstopper at the RD parades at a time, is here. This, read the manufacturing. Okay, this is a made in India chopper, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, Bangalore. So our country did make a lot of these magical machines. And the Chetak used to be a showstopper at the RD parades for a lot of years, where it used to lead the formations during the RD parade. And हाँ, देख के बुरा भी लगता है कि ये सब अभी यहाँ पे कुछ पड़े हुए हैं just for show, and a lot of people don't know about what these are all about. So this is another Chetak, and look at that engine sticking out of there, and the blades, and it's massive. So this is a wide angle lens that I'm using, इसलिए ऐसा दिख रहा है. ऐसे we have a lot of other planes here, all lined up for you to come and for you to explore and to learn about the legacy of the Indian Navy and the Naval Aviation Museum. So this is the legendary Sea Eagle, which is capable of destroying a ship. एक ही बार में it can destroy a ship, and this is what destroys the ship. So as you can see, this can carry a lot of load and various types of missiles. And look at this one, the RZ-61. I don't know if you have heard it about or not, but this is an all-weather, all-terrain missile. It was the state-of-the-art missile of its time before it was here, obviously. So yes, if you are a geek, if you love to see machines, if you love machines, you need to come over here and experience the Indian Naval Aviation Museum.